So you see here, we're up in our tree house, little tree house, and then the bird laid eggs here. 6 eggs. You see, it's some sort of sparrow. I don't know the name, but so this is what we're gonna do. Every few days, I'm gonna make a video of them, of the eggs hatching, the babies, and then when they fly away. So, first time looking at the eggs. Cute. They look like the little candy Easter eggs. Right, Eric? They look. Yeah. The white ones look like the sugary ones. So that's what we're gonna do. Every few days I'll post a video.